Did you guys miss me? Because I did. 1 week felt like 1 year. Hey guys, my name is Naomi Salami and welcome to Anything Content. Now, I did not put content out last week. If you notice that, just start for yourself. You are an everyday everyday visitor on this channel. Now, if you did not notice that I was gone, well, it means you haven't subscribed. So please subscribe because today I'll be telling you about the 5 things you must do if you're new to content creation as a content creator. Now, this video is kind of to celebrate my 1 year of being a content creator. I started out fully on March 14th, 2024, and my calendar just reminded me last week. So I'm going to be telling you things that I picked along the way that I did that you must do as a content creator. Let's begin. Number 1, start with whatever and work with them. Now, you hear a lot of top creators tell you, just start with whatever you have. I know it's not easy because you're thinking, oh, it's easy for you to say, just start. Look at my camera. I have no lights. My background is shit. Blah, 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 blah. Darling, if you don't start with what you have, you are not going to be able to upgrade them. Speaking from experience, the camera was good, but not that good. Now we have a better device. If I did not start back then, I would still be giving myself excuse. Trust me, the excuse that you had previously, you will still be having more excuses to top it off. At the end of the day, you'll be looking at yourself 10 years from now and wondering, why didn't I even start that thing? Number 2, get extra lights. Now, as somebody that started off with a phone that wasn't there yet, what helped me out were my lights. Now, I had just one ring light. I just recently added to that light this year. Yeah, this year. I started off with one ring light. If you can get one ring light, if it's a big one, if it's a small one you can afford, just get it. At least when it's still new, the power is still strong. It can aid you with your videos. And if video is not your thing, you can start off with designs. Although I would advise you to start off with video right away. Just like how birds, if they want to teach their young one how to fly and they throw them off the tree and you get to figure it out on your way down. That's just how it is in content creation. Start out with the video. I promise if you watch my old videos, you would cringe. I cringe too. But it's all part of the process. Get an extra light or get one ring light that can help you start out, at least for now. Number 3, start out with scripts and along the line, lose the script. Now, a script is to help you with direction. I know. But it gets to a point, you need to stop using those scripts. Currently, what I do is I write out the direction of my video. I write out pointers. I already know, okay, I'm going to list out 5 things. I write out the 5 things so that I don't forget it along the way. But everything I'm saying and telling you right now, there is no script. This is basically my personality in play here. And it allows me to be more fluid with the camera, treating the camera as a friend that I'm speaking to rather than something so rigid or something to be scared of, because that's how I started. And when CapCut, because I was using this CapCut teleprompter at the time, and when that feature became paid, oh, I did not put out videos for like a month because I was scared, because I was so used to this whole script thingy, and to get like an actual teleprompter, it's very expensive. So it was not an option at all. So I had to like plunge myself in there, start talking without script, start, talking as if I'm just with a friend that I see on a day-to-day basis. And before you know, your camera is going to be like your best friend. Number 4, record yourself playfully. Now, the thing about jumping into this content creation of a thing, you might have the ideas, you might have the key points, but you're just thinking, oh, I'm camera shy. Oh, I don't want anybody to look at my face. Oh, just listen to the audio of myself is cringe. I've been there, yeah. But what helped? So I started doing this thing where if I'm feeling stressed out or I just want to rant, I pick up my phone and I start recording myself. Like I'm talking to the camera, like we're having a conversation. It's like, it became like an everyday thing, yeah? So now I'm no longer scared of the camera. The only thing I'm still scared of is speaking to a live audience because I'm a bit shy in public. I think the fact that I'm better with the camera now will probably help me with that in the future if I ever get to speak in a live audience. So record yourself playfully. You're going to get something, just record yourself. You are an event, record yourself. Oh, let me do a playful get ready with me video, record yourself. You might not post it, but you just have it there, and before you know, you're used to the camera. Now the last point, hear yourself speak. Now, after recording the playful video, try to play that video over and over again. if you're like me, when I first started, I hated hearing myself speak. I thought it was too cringe. I just didn't understand how is that my voice? Oh, why did I say this? Oh, people might not understand this. Oh, this is just too cringe. I started recording myself playfully on camera and off camera. I use my voice recorder to just rant. I like to document my day. I used to like to document my day rather. I think I don't have time for that anymore. But instead of writing it out, I actually record it on my phone, on my voice recorder. So you can do that. So if you do that often and often and often, you now play back your recording. You will get used to the sound of your voice. Now I even watch my own YouTube videos. Imagine I'm giving you guys tips and I forget some things sometimes and I go back to my own YouTube channel to get some tips. I recorded that video. Why can't I remember? But that just shows you that I'm giving myself value. So I'm giving you guys value and I'm giving myself value. It's just genius, right? So these are the 5 things you must do as an upcoming content creator if you're really serious with this thing. Oh yeah, before I end this video, I noticed that I've been getting a lot of visitors from Kenya. I don't know who and who because YouTube can't really show me. Wish they could, but can't really show me. I've just been noticing that I've been getting visitors from Kenya. And yeah, if you're from Kenya and you're watching this video, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And I hope that my content is going to get better over time for your viewership. Oh yeah, and the United States, and of course my Nigerian people. Anyway, so that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully it's as interesting, educative, and informative as this one. Until next time, guys. Bye.